January, day 19. It's my dog Brandon's 4th birthday. To celebrate, we're making him a cake that won't hurt him, so no sugar or chocolate. And his people will love it too. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Grease one 20 centimeter or 8-inch cake pan with coconut oil and line with parchment, and set that aside. Melt 60 milliliters or 1/4 cup of coconut oil and set aside to cool. In a large bowl, whisk 250 milliliters or 1 cup of oat milk, 125 milliliters or half a cup of both canned pumpkin and maple syrup, and 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Now mix that together, then add the cooled coconut oil. Mix together and set aside. In a separate bowl, combine 375 milliliters or 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 5 milliliters or a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 milliliters or half a teaspoon of both baking powder and cinnamon, and 1 milliliter or 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now whisk this up. Pour the wet into the dry. Then use a rubber spatula to combine. It's okay if the batter is a little bit lumpy. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan. Now bake for 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a cooling rack. The recipe I found used peanut butter for the icing, but I'm allergic, so I'm just taking a piece of paper and sprinkling half with icing sugar. Brandon's piece can come from the unsugared half. That looks pretty good. There we go. Happy birthday to you. Let's try it. That's really good. Yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. Happy birthday. He just wants more cake, don't you? Oh my god, it's so bad.